What's up guys? Today we are playing hunting season with my friend.
Yo,
Yo, let's go. I'ma join your love.
alright, there is coming.
Alright guys. Let's go. Let's go. Cutscene. Oh yeah. Wow, it's a very nice day outside. It's very except for the burning car. Yo, what's up my guy? Alright bro, what I do here is my first time play.
You pick up scrap.
Pick up the scrap. Alright. I
Itu
don't
dari radio. Itu dari radio. Jadi nighttime mau
Sudah nighttime bang, gak bisa lihat.
mau kill.
Bang gak bisa lihat. Yo.
Flashlight app.
Wah. Oh, there's a flare. Guys, there is what? Oh, wow. What the hell? Alright guys, sorry about the screaming dog. It's my friend screaming dog. Guys, what did tolong guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my god guys, oh my god guys, don't worry guys, that was fake. It was just a very scary doctor giving me amputation. Alright guys, that is it for today. I will send the part 2 tomorrow. I cannot do it now because I need to edit it tomorrow and I'm too tired to do it right now guys. Thank you for watching the video guys. Have a good one.